All right, welcome back to Learning Litchi. Today we're going to be covering the follow feature. When I did the follow for the Maven app, I did it by having it track me on a motorcycle. Today I've got 18 gusts to 22 on the winds, so we're going to start off a little easier and we're going to have it follow me walking around. So let's go ahead and get the drone up in the air. So I'm going to tap the menu in the upper left-hand corner, select follow. Over on the left-hand side of the screen, I got the little box with the gear, and I can set my follow altitude and my follow distance. So I'm going to go ahead and raise the follow altitude up to 50 feet. Distance is 32. That'll probably work, and let's press start. Okay, and now the drone is going to climb up to 50 feet. And I'm going to start walking. Let's see how well it keeps up. It's pretty windy out here, and we'll see how well it does. I'm old, so I'm not moving very fast, but it does seem to be keeping me in frame. So I can tap the gear and I can drop that down to, let's drop it down to 32 feet. I think those trees there are taller than that. I'm gonna go ahead and raise that up a little bit. So it seems to be keeping me pretty well in frame. That tree is not any taller than 40 feet. Even when it loses visual contact with me, it's still keeping me in frame because it's tracking off the controller, not tracking off a visual reference like the DJI Fly app. So tapping the controls, I can switch over to from north to course. The gimbal is set to auto. I'll raise that up a little bit. Now in the settings, I can change the subject offset and it will reposition its heading. So I move the subject offset to about 30 degrees. It's going to reposition its orientation to me. All right, while this wasn't a really robust test of the follow, it did do a good job of keeping me in frame. I will say that the Maven track and follow is a little more intuitive and gives a little more control, but overall this was easy to use. Later on I'm going to go out and do a track me on the motorcycle and compare that to Maven. We'll do a side-by-side test of them. So that was the Litchi follow feature. I appreciate you watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you like this content. If not, please enjoy. Thank you.